All right, guys. It's cold outside. Just walked in. So let's do this review real quick. Oh, today we're reviewing the safe. This is a Temu safe I bought for my daughter. And I already put the box open. Keys, screws, I guess so you can screw it down. Okay. Oh man, look at that, guys. We got a ding on the side. I don't like that ding right there, if you can see it. But other than that, this is the safe off of Temu. You guys probably seen it before. I've been holding it upside down. Look at it. It has a combination, and it also has the key. So let's see if the key works. I'll try to make a long video. I have some more stuff to review. I need to get myself together first. Let's see. All right. So in the safe, let's see, we have a fireproof bag. In case something catches on fire, safe. It burns through your safe. Say the safe is fireproof, that's what it says. It's a nice bag. So it's a fireproof bag right here. Ooh. That's nice. So we got a fireproof bag for the safe. And that is nice. Alright, let's put that to the side. Let's go ahead and sit it down. Okay, we got the batteries we need to run on combination. I might have some batteries for that. I don't know if it's the right size or not. So we're gonna start off by trying one of these. Can't see that good, guys. This is AA. I don't know if it's a AA thing to do. Oh, it's AA, guys. This is the AA. Oh. So you can set the combination now. We have these batteries. That one looks. I'm gonna need some good batteries. Yep, there it goes. It turned on. It works. All right, so we have. Oh, what is this? You can actually see those holes in it, guys. You can see those holes in it right there. You can drill it to the wall so nobody can take it. That's cool. But they can snatch out the wall. It's just a little kitty safe. It's for my daughter. I'm sure she's gonna enjoy it. I'm gonna let her set her own combination on it, but I just want to do a quick review on it. But it's look at that. It's a pretty good safe for a kid. She can feel like she has a big boy safe or something. It's heavy. This is a nice safe. So if you want to get a safe for your kids, Temu has a nice safe on there. It Depends on what type of safe you're looking for. And they got combination safes. They got all types of safes on there, but I decided to go with the combination and the key. I'm gonna hold on to the key for her. I'm not gonna go on her stuff, but I'm holding on the keys for her so that she does. If she forgets her combination, if she sets, I'll always have the key so she can get back in it to get her money. But that's what I'm gonna do. So if you guys are looking for a nice little safe for your kids, and she picked this color by the way, because her favorite color is blue. But if you're looking for a nice safe for your kids, I would suggest you get one of these right here. I might buy another one, a different kind, just to see how that one is, to compare the two. And I'm gonna get the other one for myself. But I'm looking at the one that's more like a cash register one that has, you know, your bill like section off like a cash register. It even has a little change department at the top. But as soon as I get that, I'll review that and I'll let you know which one I like the best and which one my daughter says she likes the best. But one of them is gonna be mine, which it ain't this one. So thank you for watching. Subscribe, hit that like button, hit that notification button, and stay tuned for more reviews from Temu. Cause I'm gonna keep on buying this stuff. And I'm gonna review it so you guys can know what you might want. Yeah, that's now. It's a pretty good box. Pretty good box. Thanks for watching.